Hello, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. Here I am with another example. Again, a crisp and short, sweet kind of example I am having. So, before I start with the example, let me ask you a question. Do you know when you create a datum coordinate system, how many datum planes it creates? If you know the answer, then type your answer in the comment section. I am repeating the question. When we create a datum coordinate system, how many datum planes this particular coordinate system creates? So, give your answer in comment section. Now let's resume to this example. This example basically gives you the count of datum planes used in the active part. So let's begin. Let's run this journal. I am hitting the play button. You can see the number of datum planes in this particular assembly, particular part are zero. Now maybe we will go and open this part, and now let's run that journal again. It says that total number of datum planes in this part are 6. So this macro, sorry, not macro, but this journal can get you, can fetch you the datum planes information. You can know with click of button how many datum planes are present in your part. So isn't that interesting, guys? If yes, then please hit that like button. As always, you'll be getting the source code for this that you can copy and use at your own risk. So that's it in this video. This was a very quick one. And bye bye. Keep learning, keep doing the smart work, and see you again.